I lost it.
Well, you know who bought that?
You did.
That's a cool log.
Yeah.
Y'all got it?
Hey,
How's it going?
it's going good.
How's it going, Kelly?
It's good. Out here in the woods, it's good.
Cool log right there.
I got the bar for it too.
Hey, we got to get a second video real quick. We already started. Y'all might as well roll with it. It's Jared and Levi again.
Rolling with the punches.
Welders, all around talented guys. So, what are you going to do with this?
Maybe use it to split some logs. I don't know. We'll find
Yeah.
out.
I think you might make a time machine out of it.
Depending if
Well, you know, missing a couple parts there.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure you can fabricate those.
The flux capacitor.
I didn't get the other part here. You got another one of these that you had in the shop.
Yeah. And
Depending if it works, I may commandeer it for a farm. Try to clean up
Yeah.
some logs.
And so you got the tanks. Were you happy about those?
The empty acetylene one and then the full 75, well, it's half full.
Did you
75,
say that
25,
we had some more parts that go to this?
He already bought it.
I got it.
Okay.
At least the ones I could find. Yeah, that's the bar for it. Yeah.
All right, let's don't have any accidents.
As long as you don't put out the one on the truck, we're all right.
Yeah.
No, I mean after you get it.
Well, that's the problem. I'm in the back. You guys not too strapped.
That goes there, so when you're putting the logs onto it, it hits this bar instead of hitting you or somebody else. It keeps from torquing the logs around too much, so it's not spinning the logs and it just pulls them right onto the street.
What's the name of that on the back? Bark something?
Bark buster.
Bark Buster. All right, guys, we'll see you in the future. I know you always come. We have welding stuff and good tools. These are the ultimate diggers right here. See you later.